Hi everyone, thank you for clicking this video. Today these trainees, they are going to debate on the topic of, what is the topic guys? Boarding schools are good or not? This team is supporting that boarding schools are good. Excuse me, I'm so sorry, it's my bad. This team is supporting that boarding schools are good, and this team is supporting boarding schools are not good. Let us talk to the people. Somewhere boarding schools are good and somewhere it is not good. Some parents, they send their child into the boarding school because they want to develop their child its kind of interpersonal skills. They want to improve their lots of skills. But if I talk about normal school, it's kind of day school. When the children go, they can be part of the filthy environment. Are you getting my point? Filthy environment. They can be hooligans, and they can start smoking, and they can start what we call this tobacco. So they can face this type of problem. So let us talk to the people, and best of luck, and break a leg. Okay, so who is going to initiate? Miss Archana, please start with greeting and gratitude. Archana, yes.
A very warm good evening to all of you, and thank you, Rashid sir, for giving me this golden opportunity to speak something about boarding schools are good. So, friends, I'm in favor of boarding schools are good. The students who belong to boarding school, they are less interacted with technology. More boarding schools are have strict law. The students have not to use mobile phone and internet, so it can help them to develop their thinking abilities. And in non-boarding school, every students have mobile phone, and they have to think, they have get to know about something. They search on Google and YouTube, so their thinking ability is not developed as comparatively boarding school.
As you said, the boarding school mobile phone is not used.
Yes.
But in some cases we need our mobile phones, like when we need to talk our parents immediately. Like
They
in
give you mobile-
like
they give you
firstly,
mobile
let
for-
me complete.
Yes.
When we need to call our parents immediately, then what we do if the teachers not give me a phone?
Why did you call?
Like
emergency.
like a incident.
You can interact your teachers. They will
If we
definitely
have a
phone.
problem from the teachers, so what we do?
How can you?
Like many cases are nowadays many rape cases are happen in the boarding
Yes,
schools.
very nice.
So how
Can you take?
Yes, I have a
Tell me example.
yes,
Yes.
I think in before 6 year ago, they in Dehradun 2018, a 10th class old
Shame
10th
on you guys.
a 10th class girl was raped by the 4 boys of the 11th class. And when she used to talk to our administration of the school,
In emergency, she can send the location to teachers,
Yes.
to other people. If she has mobile phone.
You have only one example.
no, I
I
have
can
many
tell
more
you
examples. I have many more
20
examples.
example of non-boarding school.
But in boarding school there is a problem. If they don't give a phone, and they are and students are surrounded by the unknown peoples, like teachers are not as much as good as their parents. But when they used to go in private school, like in government school, then after 4 to 5 hours they used to go in our home, so they share each and every thought from their parents.
And also, there is a case like in 2019, there was a case 339. Because of that, the school was closed. Like the principal and the teachers, they had admitted that there are so many cases, there so many issues are happening in our school, so that we are closing this school because we can't control the students. Would you like to say something about this?
In boarding school,
Yeah.
students are not controlled by teacher.
No, somewhere cases are they are controlled, But in issues like rape cases, they are not controlled. Even if teachers are admitting these kind of rape cases.
If you stay with your parents,
Yeah.
then you also you can also get anyone can also get raped in at the village also at home.
Okay, they can be raped by village also.
Yes.
Okay, but after being raped, they can go their parents, and they can also do FIR, and their parents can give them solitary means.
You means that the rape cases which happen in non-boarding boarding school, so they don't put FIR.
No, if teacher is admitting, to why they
Yes.
why they
Can-
put FIR? Because of making their reputation bad. They don't do any time. It is totally means from the Hindu and Indian Express newspapers data.
That is boarding school.
Yeah, of course.
I can't believe that.
I have
What do you have?
I have proof. I have total news report of it. Would you like to see?
Yes, in non-boarding school, you are wasting your time for traveling, and you can take rickshaw. Recently, rape cases is happened by auto rickshaw driver in non-boarding school, and you are not safe because you are going alone travel.
I think it is not related to school. It is like you are traveling in your village area and not.
How can you say that it is not related to the school? They are going
Yes.
by the transport, they are going by the rickshaw, and you are saying that it is not the part of the
Sir,
school.
she is giving the example of a lady who was going for the shopping.
No, she is
Shopping
not.
not.
Example of lady.
girl, and
Girl,
that she was going to school.
Okay, this can happen in boarding school also. Like they also go by buses, I
So
think.
she is saying the same thing. This can happen not boarding school.
But most of the cases in
most,
boarding,
most of the cases happen in non-boarding school.
Yes.
As you said, the girl is raped in the in when she used to go school.
Yes.
But after raped, she has a parents to share that thing. So it can, so in this case, strict action can be taken by the police.
Yes.
But I let me complete. But in boarding school, they sometimes they cannot attached it as much as they attach from their parents. The girl is not too much attached from their teachers, from their class, from their roommates.
If
How you can say only rape case conduct in only boarding school?
No, that's not my point. I'm saying that if the girl is raped by traveling, okay, so after raped, she has a parents, she has a police.
Many
station.
parents already suppress that type of case, sir.
But
No, many parents suppress case.
no, it's
Yes.
not happen in all families.
They also want to hide that.
Yes, every parents.
But in families, parents try to hide the cases.
Why hide?
But yes, her emotions are so that the
That
society.
time situation.
Firstly, let
Yes,
me
complete,
complete.
please.
If the children share their emotions and share all their problem with their parents, then after that the suicide cases also reduced. Sometimes girls are got in depressed, so it also became the cases of her suicide.
Many girls who studied in normal school, they already face depression and many condition. They already get suicide.
But it's a very critical situation.
No, very less. If your children studied in best boarding school, that time you do not face this type of conditions.
good evening, everyone. My name is Garima Sharma, and now we are here to discuss about the topic, to debate on the topic of boarding school is good or not. So, in my opinion, in boarding schools there are many kind of cases like the student have to live alone by this era. They have to like
Point to be noted, guys. Yes. No.
they have to face some kind of problems like depression, depression and mental health issues. So many cases are happening because they have to be lonely, and there is no their parents at their place. Okay, so they are also not that much connected with their teachers so that they can share any points, and also uh, there is no parental guidance there so that they can share their problems and feel better.
As you said that the students feel alone in boarding school and they will get depressed, right? How in what manners the people get depressed?
Like it is too much
The
discipline.
students who belong to boarding school, there are lots of friends and lots of teachers. How feel they loneliness? You feel loneliness in your home.
No, you know what? Like friends, they can help you in somewhere manners, but parents.
No, there are lots of students in boarding school,
And
and
lots of students and teachers, they have any problem, they have complained in your teacher, then
Yes.
teacher and then teachers inform your home, because with these children is a problem or complain with teacher inform your home, that is parents go and what is problem, see the and see and then solution.
But if the child is hesitating to share, then
hesitation come from your family.
so no, they are hesitating to share it with their teachers.
You said, ma'am, depression problem depression problem faced by boarding school children, but it is totally wrong, because you think when children studied in boarding school, that time every student roll and participate in every activities, but you studied in normal school, when think you go school, otherwise you don't go school, that time how you say depression is only facing by boarding school student.
Listen, this timetable and discipline, we like it one day or 2 day, we don't like it every day. Like if you are too disciplined, you will not like it, and also they are suppressed, they can't share this opinion with their teachers, so they are depressing. And also
No, because nowadays very parents are not talk to children, they already feel depressed, they already face depressed because they already use mobile phone and web series, see they never have any schedule when they watch movies the whole night, but in boarding every time management is follow strictness, and they when children come outside you saw and look very expressive, boarding school child better than other school.
but okay, it is the point. Then it is only for the parents who have so much money. The parents who have not money, then how can?
That time Kendriya with KVS and NVS also are available in every cities. Every cities you have capability. You give
Are
exam.
they boarding schools?
Yes.
In a boarding schools, teachers are make a much more pressure on the students for studied. So after that, they also suicide.
How can you say that?
It's a die.
Teachers are very experienced teachers in boarding school,
I
and
know.
they have to clear so many exams for being a teacher in boarding schools.
I know, but
It is not piece of cake to go and teach everywhere.
You
they
can't blame.
But they make a rule and regulation which are not followed by the most of the students.
I
So
think
they are for they
you
are
have
forced-
learned one Sanskrit slok, Binvay hoy na preet. And a student,
So it can also be followed for on the private or government school.
no.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Richa. Today I'm talking about boarding school is good. Boarding schools students are extrovert because they can easily talk to other persons. They have no hesitation to meet any other persons.
You want to say that boarding school students can speak and can talk to front of other person, and non-boarding school students cannot talk to other person in front of other. How can you say non-boarding school in non-boarding schools students involve can do can talks to every can talks other person in front of other person, like that they spend more times with his family and they with his relative and friends. They talks and go here and there everywhere and talks everyone. They can not hesitate.
They are so introvert because they are talk only family, talk with her family only. So they cannot talk in
They listen. Boarding school students only talks in front of teachers and front of and only in each other in friend circles. But
They have
non
to
boarding
do much
school
activities.
go here go everywhere and talks uh, other person and family, and so they can speak in front of other person.
because they do have much activities and outdoor activities also.
You want to say that non-boarding school students don't have
But every
Many
school has
activities.
not provided your outdoor activities.
outdoor.
And boarding school provided day by day, and the non-boarding school is not provided. Yes.
There are lots of like
Yes,
But they
you
are
know,
also-
lots of private schools and yes.
Yes.
Please let me complete. Let me complete. Lots of every private school and many government school
Can
provide
you prove this?
many
How many?
all every private school provide.
Every private school not provided day only week. One day in a week.
One day, every day. You are also every day and every private and
No.
government school
You are talking
provide.
about government schools. There are so many private schools also. They provide the facilities.
But
They
private
provide-
schools not provide. Common schools are not provided single. Sorry.
No.
Really?
No. Every private school provide.
I know
Every day.
Every day.
In my school there is one period for physical education every day.
But not in every day.
Good evening everyone, my name is Minakshi. Today I am here to talk about boarding school is good or bad, not good. I'm supporting boarding school is not good because of it is not good because of mess food. Because of mess food, food quality is bad, and boarding school student not socialization because of talk to comfortable any teachers and other roommates and friends and students. But now come back to home. See, family supporting and family pressurize. Mother says come to out, and relatives come and talk to namaste and says namaste and talk to out. But no mom, I not talk to you. But I alone with room. I alone room and do not follow the culture.
Why are you excited, sir? Why are you excited?
And third reason is not supportive bully. Boarding school is every children bully and face and hairstyle and need personality and personality देख के bully. Student complains, teachers scold student, but many rare cases in bullying and mentally problem and introvert and not says and student.
When your relatives come, parents call you for gratitude him or her. But it is good. Really, you think and tell me it is good. I don't say it is not good because you have parents, you responsibility. You learn your children's bad habits, good habits. But when your children studied in boarding school, that time see they learn cross culture exposure. Not only meet Tiwari ji and Chacha ji, Mama ji, not but when your children studied in that, they already know about many exposure and many culture about. And you talk about mother food. It is good, but when they already depend on mother food, they never stand in your life, because that time they face many problems. That time, how can they survive? Can you tell me?
But not survive. Many people can goes at outside, yeah, goes at school, but mother foods and laddu and some snacks are packed student because
It is better than your career.
many
It is better than your career.
many
Your mother already provide your laddu in your hostel room, ma'am.
Your mother's laddu is better than your career.
yes,
Your
but
mother already
better than
provide laddu in hostel, yes, sir.
sir, boarding school student better, the boarding school better than about career. How?
Because when you learn good thing, you stand your leg, your stand on your foot. Yes, ma'am.
Non-boarding school is good provide education, good
How you can
provide.
say, ma'am?
Shouting. Not boarding school be supportive any field, any education and good provide education, good extra curriculum, extra prayer and then about PT and yoga. Not boarding school is
Boarding school already provide 1 hour in morning every day yoga classes every day.
not boarding school be provided.
Not every day.
Every day.
Not every day.
Every
How
day.
can you prove?
I am
You can
teacher.
prove.
I
You
am
can prove.
teacher.
Where
I
is it?
teach
I am
about
also know about.
school. I am teaching
You give me
about
proof.
school.
You give me proof. I have many options.
I'm teacher, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are making such a bull story, ma'am. You are making bull story, not a right talking. Talk about bullying. Bullying is already conducted by normal
Yes,
schools.
normal school bullying.
And-
But student come back to home. Mother says, yeah, student learn abuse language and we go at home, talk about friends and mothers saw and complain to school. Peer group change, ma'am. My child is abuse language.
Normal student already beat our teachers, but no boarding school student beat our teachers outside. And you talk about using language, abusing language more than used by normal schools. And they use tobacco, they use cigarette more than more. Go outside and go any mall to see easily.
Ma'am,
Smoking, but
see,
they can't do this.
non-boarding school about peer groups and telling smoking, drinking, and
No, if you
use
studied in your-
not room is separate and not room checked out. Teachers not any use mobile and it's many children, many girls are keep mobile is chori chuppe yo khao.
They already use okay, I agree your point. I agree your point.
They are talking about the school.
So many schools, for example, yes, 6, 7
Normal schools also use mobile.
6, 7
Normal schools, their children also use mobile phone by stolen their teachers.
But ma'am, there are many students, many children, 6, 7, that class and use mobile phone in secretly.
This type of condition not apply in normal schools. I already
Yes,
I already
yes, I agree. Non-boarding
So
school.
what is problem of boarding school, ma'am?
I'm problem of because many reasons are.
No, because you have no point.
As you said that the mother's hand food is not necessary than our career, but if our health is get disaffected, so what we do our career? If something let their mess is not as good as our home food, if our health is get disaffected, like we are suffering from the some diseases, like many diseases which we harm very much, and in these cases we lost our life also. So what we do our career?
How many cases have you seen?
You think you
There
say
is no cases nowadays, but
okay.
what
You said
we do
mother
our-
food is
let me complete what we do. Let me complete
One
my
minute, I explain. I complete. I know, ma'am. When I say it is not necessary, I already said health is very necessary for us.
Yes.
अगर if our life is lost, then what we do our career is also made by in our homes, like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This is a big inspiration for millions and millions of the people nowadays. Nowadays, he's APJ Abdul Kalam. He's not belonging from the boarding school, but after that, he has a many more skills. Like he's a good communicator and good motivator, inspiring millions of the people. And he has also a technical knowledge. He is also called as the missile man of India.
That time education system is very good, but nowadays education system.
How can you say? In fact, that time education system is not very good because we.
It means that APJ Abdul Kalam learned about technology from India.
Yes, from the
Not-
Tiruchirappalli. They
He
completed.
went America. He went
Firstly,
America NASA company, and they learned
I
from
know.
their technology.
But
Okay.
he, but he, but yes,
Yes.
I firstly. But NASA is not a boarding school. He used to
So how can
he
you-
used to complete her lower schools, lower studies. Yes, pre-education from the Tiruchirappalli. He used to go to school on the aerospace, MIT Madras Institute of Technology.
He is that is also boarding school.
No, it's not.
IIT Madras.
IIT Madras nahi, MIT Madras Institute of
Madras.
Technology. It's not a government school. It's a private. I am also belonging from the JE, so I have a knowledge properly.
You can take example of Ratan Tata. He completed his study from foreigner.
Firstly, you answer my question. Na? You need to change the topic.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
Yes.
Are you sure he is?
Yes, you can.
Is from non-boarding school.
Yes. In Tiruchirappalli and Tamil Nadu, there is no boarding school.
No boarding school for it. There is one option for him. If boarding schools are not available, so how can I prove that
It's not mad. They used from
I am not
himself.
changing point.
Because career is not much more important than our mother father loves.
Yes.
Boarding school has also proper menu, and if you stay with family, you get over nutrients, and you feel
No.
lazy. Sir, there at that time boarding school are not available.
I think.
Can you tell
No,
me
no.
example of boarding school?
Boarding schools are
At that time, only
started
government schools are available.
from- as you said, the Ratan Tata studied from a boarding
Foreigners,
school.
yes,
How?
in foreign United Nation.
But you can check the data. There is many more boarding school in our previous years.
So tell me example now. How can I believe that?
Currently, I am not learned as
So
much.
I can't believe on in you.
How can you don't believe?
I can't believe because you have not proof.
I think Dehradun school.
Don't think.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Varsa. I am from Urai. Advantage of boarding school. Boarding school often provide high quality education and discipline and time management. Boarding school children teach discipline and time management. Boarding school children meet new people and make new friends and living independence.
You want to say that non-boarding school student cannot independent?
Yes, many example, but some people successfully independent.
How
But
can you
boarding
say?
school mostly 80 मतलब 100 में से 80% independent. Yes.
You want to say that? You want to say that? But she want to say that non-boarding schools student can become independent. I am independent in 19-year old age. So how can you say I am non-boarding? I am non-boarding school student.
During school time.
Yes, during after 10th class, I start a coaching.
But
a tuition.
best education
Some,
provide
some
boarding
teaching
school
students
and
and
best job opportunity. Best
Non-boarding is-
opportunity.
non-boarding
for,
schools,
boarding school.
non-boarding schools students
Success.
also
Success.
non-boarding schools students have yes, non-boarding schools students also have provide also eligible for job, also can get job.
But some
success.
people, only
Not
some people.
How can you say
But
you can take you can see
because my
data.
brother belong,
You can see
boarding
data. Most of pupils who
he is
cannot
independent.
who can
My yes, I have example.
yes
My brother belong to boarding school. He is independent.
I am
As you said, your brother is from boarding school and
Yes.
he is independent.
Yes.
So,
Recent.
take the example of Virat Kohli. He is only not sorry, excuse me, sorry sir. He is not a 12th pass, but after that he is independent. Not only independent, he is the no. Why? नहीं, what's your question? What's your question? Boarding school are independent. Firstly, you know the meaning of the independent. Independent cannot be connected from the boarding school only. Most of the people are not well educated, but after that they are doing very well in their life.
How many people know boarding school?
Take the example of Elon Musk. He is not from the boarding school, but now he is became the richest person of the world. Like take the example of Jeff Bezos. He is the owner of the Amazon company, and most of the educated and boarding school people used to shop. So what's your question? नहीं, first your
You can say,
your question.
sir,
Yes, they are not belonging.
sir.
Facing the problem in their life.
Which type of problem?
Yes, some people now only. Even boarding school student,
In this world,
independent
boarding school
engineer,
students are also
teachers,
facing a problem.
and business and doctors. Many example.
How can you say more problem? Richest person of
Richest friends. She is from Navodaya Vidyalaya, and she knows about how to apply form. I don't aware.
So she is Navodaya Vidyalaya and it is a boarding school. Or she is not aware.
I am not
No,
non-boarding
you are
school.
not. But your friend is from boarding school and she has not a knowledge of filling a form. So what?
She has knowledge of filling of. I am not
We
aware.
also have a knowledge of filling a form. We are very aware.
In your academic?
Yes.
No. I think all are from non-boarding school, right?
Yes.
That's why we all are here to improve our confidence and public speaking, and they have all the students who have all non-boarding schools.
Okay.
Yes.
We are here for making our personality developed. Okay.
Yes.
But they are going there for developing their personality. But they are paying more and more fees.
No,
than us.
in Navodaya Vidyalaya, the fees is zero.
Why are you taking the Navodaya Vidyalaya?
This is boarding school.
Let me complete.
Okay.
There are only you people only are only.
Career Defense School Ambala. I
Let me
have
complete.
Sainik. Yes,
Now you take.
Nationality after paying more fees in non-boarding school.
Let me complete.
Yes.
Nowadays, India's population is 148 million. तो क्या? So
146.
around.
No, 146.
Okay, 146 million people, children can be.
There are not children in the population. There are so many.
How many? You should. Can you?
Firstly, you complete your sentence.
Can you tell me how many seats are in are in a Navodaya and Kendra Vidyalay?
Yes.
Can you tell me?
This school available in every
All the
city.
people of our country are not eligible for go there.
So every people eligible for private school and government school. Every people. Also, they not up for.
There is a policy. If the student is not able to give the fees, there is like 30%.
It is only on paper, ma'am.
No.
No, it is not real.
Sir, in the school in which I have studied, there are like 30 to 50 students who have not able to pay their fees. But the principal, he was like, if you are not able, I will. Means it is a government policy in which the student who are not able.
It is government policy, but on paper not followed by a school.
If you are not able to pay fees, you have to
No, give
you have to
30%.
prove there.
They
They
don't
give
give
30 to
30%. I have
40%. Somewhere they give 50% discount.
not give
Yes,
them.
ma'am. I
already
know.
sir.
That's why I'm speaking.
In my front of home, some students are already studied in CMS. They can't give any types of discount.
Because they are
Can't able to
No,
pay
this
fees.
is not. They are not available. They are already out for their children because of fees. To
Ma'am,
their children because of
in
fees.
my known someone, they are not able to fill full fees, so they prove some certificate, and I don't know what is that. They 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 give 50% discount on the fees, annual fee
Which school?
in CMS. Ma'am, we are talking about education.
They already.
Then ma'am, on in boarding school they are not they are provide free of cost books, or they include everything in the fees. Ma'am, how can you say that? You are talking about
We have more people like we have this opinion. क्यों आप नहीं सपोर्ट कर रही हैं? बोलना पड़ेगा. हार में? अरे ठीक है हार ही नहीं है. Yes.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Aarti and I am from Lucknow. Thank you, Rasi sir, for giving me this golden opportunity to speak here. Today I am talk about boarding school are good or not.
बहुत अच्छा.
So I am supporting boarding school is the good because boarding school is a very important in a because boarding school is a very important which children live in our home, so he can change our character.
Who बच्चों
Who
के लिए
can change our character, and this is communication skill is a very good. Sorry, and they live in a away from home. They connect with other person and other children. They connect with other teachers, and they belong in other state and other city and other religions. So they are sitting. They live in they talk with each other and they talk each other and live for each other. So which communication skill is a very good. Boarding school students are very independent and self-dependence because he work in a he manages a time management, doing his work he doing his work self-dependence and he manage our situation in a they manage in our situation in a self himself. So I think boarding school is a good because boarding school students is very brave and intelligence. Say communication they good communication skills and they good personality and so I think boarding school is a good.
Aarti ma'am, you want to say that which when our children uh, live with her parents, you can involve bad practices, but boarding school students cannot involve bad practices. Yes, you want to say
What? Repeat your point.
you want to say that when children live with her parents,
Yeah.
they can involve bad practices and
Yeah.
bad peers. Yes, but but boarding school student cannot
Yeah,
involve
because
bad peers.
he is the underground is
Bad
the
peers.
security of teachers and other teachers and security are belong with the students, not a bad person. क्योंकि because boarding school
boarding
schools
schools
students
students
are
making
available
a
in a good
making
students.
a group and involve bad places. But if you live with her parents,
Yeah.
your parents show your parents see
That
can
time your parents
your
do
habits
job
and they
do
can
private
interrupt
job.
you.
That time your parents
Then
do
we-
job या private job outside.
Yes.
When then students are not peers but
Then
bad
parents,
peers.
then his parents doing job and they then
I think
they-
not every student not interested for talk to with parents night in the night.
but parents are interested to talk. Parents
Every parents is tired and they go our room and
if you
sleep.
have bad pairs, you cannot talk with her parents. But parents can can see you. Parents can see you that my child learn bad habits. They can interrupt you and they can learn you. In schools, teachers only present in study times and many activities time and in night and other times cannot present. And in room in your room and
They are not mobile and bad
Yeah.
things available in their rooms.
Rooms because their rooms are clean
not
such
at all. Mobile
Such-
is not bad, not at all. Not or bad.
any bad things.
How can you say that they are
You
You
can-
can रहती है ना.
what
You want
what
to say
bad
that you boarding school student don't have any bad things. Bad things. They want to say that not boarding school have lots of bad things. Bad peers, bad things.
No,
Because
Yeah.
24 into 7
Yes.
students are present around them.
Around. Yes.
So there is no chances are influenced by the one student who is committing that kind of bad works.
And you want to say that
And I think boarding school not available in a bad abusing language and bad
But in
things.
front of teachers only. Yeah.
No.
But what they do in what they do in a
Yeah.
Abusive language is
This is
also
also
important in our life.
how can you say it is
We
important? So it
we have manner then elder person then we go
Yes,
then
every leaders have abusive language, good
so
manners
that
and etiquette.
that's your point कि abusing language is good. Yeah. So
I'm
we
not
in
mean
India
I
also
don't
abusing
mean
language.
that. I don't mean that abusive language is
As you said,
always
yeah.
good. I don't. It is important. It is also important for
So
our life.
non-boarding schools students have also abusive language.
As you
Most
said.
of them, then
Yes.
if it is good, then it is. Then there is so much.
Yes.
no
And
Then you said it is a good thing.
next question you want to say, sir?
Yeah,
Next
sir,
question. No. Sorry. I am. You want to say that non-boarding school students cannot have communication skills?
yes
Yes.
Sir,
Yes. Yes. Non-boarding schools students have communication skill because they involve all everything. They involve everything. So they talks to her family and each other, to her friends, and I have lots of example like that.
They
Sandeep
involve
Maheshwari,
only
Sonu
mobile
Sharma,
phones.
Harshvardhan
They
are not
involve only mobile
only.
They are.
They involve, yes, non-boarding school, they have mobile and involve, but they have communication skills. They have also have lots of they mentioned him.
Good evening. I am Rubin Ishad, and thanks to all to and thanks to all to giving me this golden opportunity to give me a golden opportunity to represent my opinion. So my opinion is that what about the classes that was happening in the room of the boarding school? Yes. What about the quarrel or classes that happen between the student of boarding school? As we said, I would to say that in boarding school, students are live alone through 24 into 7, not 24 into 7 at all, like in nights. If all the students have a different mentality, if they're not matched with their roommates, then there is a many chances of creates art clashes between them.
It improves your mental stability. If you interact with different mentality of person, you improve. It's everything improve your mental. You will improve your mental stamina.
How can you say it is reached in a big level, then what we do?
There are lots of teacher and modern, and how can we big level?
But at that time, like 1 a.m., 2 a.m., then what the teachers are present in the outdoor of our room,
Yes, security guards are also present.
in every room.
Yes, they are on the
No, it's not possible. There are many more rooms, and it is not possible to give us.
children, not colleges, boys and girls.
But in girls also our classes happen.
Of course.
It is also part of life. Classes is also part of life.
But in our home at night there is not a clashes.
I'm
happen in the-
also quarrel with my siblings.
So
It is
it's your
happening.
sibling.
It is
It's your no. Yes.
If two students are fighting, there is no thing like quarrel. If we quarrel in our home, our mother and father beat us and make us sleep. But in there, the teachers will be sleeping and there is no one.
There is a very strict. They were not punished.
But they punish at the morning, not at that time.
In any time they got punished.
If
At
no
any
one,
time
if
they get punished.
I
for
want
it.
to give an example. If there is only two students live in a room, and they are and there is a quarrel happened between them. So who used to go the administration to tell that there is a fighting happen in the room? There is also a case. It became on the high level. Then what will do?
It also happens in non-boarding school, and
But
it
after
also
that
happens
we-
in home.
But it's a home. We are not. But this quarrel is not reached at a very high level.
when quarrel and classes are doing outside, then what you do and what your parents do?
But in outside there are many public is present.
No people can do anything.
And in a hostel, there are lots of.
More CCTV camera also available in their
No,
time.
at night time there are not much more students are present. At night time only the roommates are present inside it.
So roommates are already available. So already
If
release
there is
you.
two roommates.
No. How you can say only two classmates are available? 10 to 15 also are available. Present in
10 to 20 students. Are
one room, not two people are only.
So but it also. But
Ma'am, if you talk about quarrel and class, they everywhere happen. Not only depend in boarding school. Not if you
but
classes.
in our home.
They already classes with parents. They already conduct in normal schools.